Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Rosie and you're watching Rosie's World. I'm really sorry if you've been waiting for quite a while now. It's been about 1 or 2 years and I am really sorry about that. I've just had a lot going on with, mental health and all that in the past 1-2 years. So that's the reasoning for that. I just needed some time to myself basically. If anyone's got any issues that you'll probably understand, but yeah. So today we're going to do a makeup tutorial and it's going to be a very smoky eye kind of look. So I've already pumped 1 pump of this Rimmel Lasting Finish onto my hand. So I'm just gonna, so you're just gonna basically just get a little bit onto the brush. Obviously grab a mirror. And then just kind of go over all of your face. And down to your neck so that you don't have any harsh lines. And then you're just going to do that a few times. I'm going to skip this along, or I don't know what. I haven't decided yet, but now, so now that you've put your base foundation on, we're gonna set it. So we're gonna bake it. So I've got this collection sheer loose powder that I got from Superdrug. It was like 2-3 quid. Got that a couple of days ago actually. So just get some of that. Take this bit out carefully, right, because it's very messy. And then you just get some of this, quite a bit actually. I usually do. It's just really easy, really. Just gonna kind of just go over. What I do is doesn't matter if you get it on your eyebrow, almost, because you can sort that out later. And just blend it all out so it doesn't look stupid or silly even. And it just basically mattifies your makeup. So that's the purpose of that. But obviously if you bake yourself, makeup terms, then you probably already know that. So, So now that we've baked, we're gonna just put a bit of eyeshadow on. So this is the Makeup Revolution Marvellous Mattes. It's quite nice actually. It's a bit dusty, but this is what it looks like. Obviously that's with the lid down. So what we're gonna do now is just this. We're gonna go in with the darker shade. So that's this one. Don't know if you can see. It's that one. I'm just gonna go in with that. I'm just gonna go in to the inner corners of the eye. And we're just going to blend it out like that. Just blend. Add some more. Just keep doing that until you get a very strong, I like quite strong looks. Don't know if anyone else would agree, but yeah, that's me all over really. I'm quite a dramatic person. Can be. And now we're just gonna go to the other eye. Just kind of just do that. Go into the hollows. Something I didn't do with the other one actually. Just kind of find that. Kind of define. So this is what it looks like. So it's very. And then we're just gonna go in with a bit of eyeliner. This is the just called Colour Contour eyeliner. We're just gonna go onto the lash line. Just come out a little bit. Curving. And we're just going to do this same on, obviously, on the other eye. Just kind of, what I do is I go in with my finger and just kind of kneading it up. And then we're just gonna put some Lasting Sensation Maybelline mascara on. Sorry about the wind, by the way, I can't really control the weather. And now we're gonna go in with this brush, which is like a blush brush, but I use it for the, and it, oh yeah, Collection highlight bronze, and so that's what it looks like. You can get it from Superdrug. I'll leave all the links in the description down below. And I just get not too much, so that's how much I've got on my brush. Make a fish face. And just kind of some more. Then you just get a fan brush. So this is by the same brand, Glow. Not sponsored, by the way, but you know, if you want. But Glow, if you're watching and you want to sponsor me, free. Alright, so now we're gonna go with the middle one in the, which is the blusher in the palette. Just go in with that, tap it to get the excess off, and then smile. And then when you, where you naturally would blush in your apples, apply your brush and blusher. Then we're gonna get some lipstick. This is by Maybelline and it's called Smoky Rose and it's shade 987. So we're just gonna get some of that. You'll notice when I'm doing my bottom lip, I don't move my hand, I move my face. So that's our top tip. And then top lip is always the easiest. Always stay on the inside of the lip. Thank you very much for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn on your notification bell to get uploads whenever I upload, and also leave a comment in the description down below as to what kind of videos you'd like to see from me in the future and from my channel, of course. Bye!